So you just started learning how to trade. You're probably thinking, well, what's next? How do I start making profits? It all starts off with this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a broker account, how to create a demo and a live, and how to utilize it and connect it with your trading platform to start making profits. But before we get started, I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice. I only share my experiences and give educated ideas based on my own understanding of the markets. Any financial decisions that you make based on information I have shared is solely your responsibility and your responsibility alone. At the end of the day, you must always do your own research. Now that we have that out of the way, let's get started with how to create a broker account. So what I'm going to show you is one of the broker accounts that I've created when I first started. When you come to this website here, the link is going to be in the description. What you want to do is sign up. You want to create your account and get started with everything. Once you create your account, you're going to come to this screen right here. And the first thing you want to do is verify your identity. They're going to ask you to upload your ID. They're going to ask you to upload your passport, whatever version of identity you can use to verify you're a real person. And once you get that out of the way, you can now create your account. So once you do that, you come to the accounts tab on the left hand side if you're on a computer, and you hit create demo. Now you're probably thinking, well, what is a demo? What is a live? What is the difference? Well, a demo account gives you access to the live market with fake money. In other words, paper trading. A live account is you're getting access to the real live market with your own money. Now, what I highly recommend for a new trader in the financial markets is get a demo account. Learn how to do the basics, learn how to do everything that you need to do without spending your own hard-earned cash. So with the demo account, you're trading with fake money, you're trading with paper money. All you do is click create demo, and you see these two options here where it says demo ECN, demo VIP. I'm gonna tell you right now, do not worry about the differences. You're a new trader, you're brand new, you're like a baby in this game. Just choose demo ECN and let's get this going. Once you click create a demo, it's gonna ask you, well, what type of currency are you using? Well, if you're in the USA, just like me, you're gonna choose USD. If you're in any other country, choose your currency. My currency is USD. Now leverage, it's gonna ask you any of these options. Don't worry about what this is at this moment. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is something you're gonna learn over time. What I personally use is 1 to 200. You can choose either one. I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, for you right now, it does not matter, okay? So you accept the terms and conditions. Make sure you read the terms and conditions, and you will click create an account. Now, once you create that account, you're gonna get an email with the email that you used to create that account in the first place. And in that email, they're gonna show you your login information, and they're gonna show you your password for that demo account. If you decided to create a live account, it's gonna be the same exact process, where if you choose choose live ECN, there's no other live accounts that would apply for you at this moment. So just choose live ECN if you decide to go to live. Now on the next video, I'm gonna show you the exact trading platform that I use, how to use it, how to connect it, and how to actually start trading. So I see you guys on the next video. Thank you for stopping by.